Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Nikki the Glam Teacher. Today we are going to do a quick get ready with me and run some errands. I am losing weight, feeling good, and want to do a little bit of self-care. I am going to take my Teddy Blake bag out as I run errands. This is my favorite go-to bag. The leather is good quality. It's made in Italy, but it doesn't have the expensive price tag. And I do want to mention Teddy Blake is having a 70% off annual sale. So go check them out and make sure you stay tuned for the full video. Hey Glam Crew, hey Glam Crew, hey Glam Crew. So it is your girl, Nikki the Glam Teacher. Today is going to be a quick vlog about pretty much self-care and how to be a semi-baddie on a budget. Now, the number one important thing about being a baddie on a budget is just taking care of your skin and taking care of yourself. I get a lot of compliments on my skin, but right now it is not in the best shape because I've been busy, y'all. I've been busy. I have been neglecting YouTube, and I'm sorry Glam Crew, okay? But look at the beautiful sunshine. It's like making me have this glowy look. But let me show y'all. A lot of people always ask me, what do you use for your face? And it's really just like, y'all, excuse my room because I am washing my sheets and stuff. Yeah, you gotta take care of yourself. But yeah, I've been going to school, paying for school out of pocket, so I don't have a lot of money to just be out getting my hair and nails done. I have to learn to do a lot of stuff on my own. Yeah, so I have to learn to do a lot of this stuff myself. Did I even show y'all the bottle? So Olay, you can get this at Walmart for like $7, and I put too much on this cotton tip, and I only get breakouts when it's that time of the month. My girlies know what I'm talking about, when it's that time of the month and when I am highly stressed out. And school has been kicking my butts. Work has been kicking my butts. Motherhood, taking care of my household has been. And this is just pretty much cleaning your face and clean your neck. Clean your neck. And then after that, you can find this at Marshall's for $3. This is just Manuka honey. Any type of honey, like real organic raw honey on your face, or vitamin C, and this has vitamin C in it. This is by She. Yeah, I don't have no links for y'all. But just clean this, wipe this on your face, and make sure you are cleaning your neck. Don't be walking around with no dirty neck. And then go in with this. I do this maybe once a month, not once a month, once a week. And usually Sundays is my day for this, because Sunday is the day I just go to church and then relax the rest of the day. Making sure every day you take a bath, brush your teeth, and I use coconut oil on my skin. Coconut oil on my skin. Favorite perfume. This is my perfume. Bottle is empty. I got another bottle. Flower Bomb. This is like my go-to #1. But you can do this more often. I might start doing this like twice a week just to get myself back to my normalness, because I have been neglecting myself. But I'm about to go run some errands, and I'm going to take y'all with me. Baddie on a budget. And I am going to take my bag with me. I've had it for a couple months, and I did an unboxing with it. I showed you guys my bag. Let me get it and show y'all. Let me get it. So you all remember this Teddy Blake. Okay, so I went on a trip with it, and then I put it back in the box just to make sure it stays put together. And you know, I like to wrap my stuff back up to keep it nice, keep the dust and dirt off of it. All right, so like I said, I like to keep my stuff wrapped up just to keep the dirt and the dust off of it and just to help it last longer. So I always put my stuff back in the duster and in the bags. As you can see, hardware is still good. Might have a few fingerprints on it. This part is a little scratched up, but that's because I was like digging in and out of it. But that's like normal wear and tear. And then I still got stuff in here. I still got stuff in here. So I still got like hand sanitizer, my lip gloss in here. I got some money in here. No money. So it's still holding up. So I'm gonna take this out to run some errands because my other bag is just really big and bulky, and I'm just running a few errands, so I won't need to bring my bigger bag to run errands. But let's see. So let me put on some clothes. Find some clothes. That bag has been holding up really good. Great buy. I think in my last video with them, I put a discount code. If I have time to edit, I'll put right here or somewhere a discount code so that you can go shop and get that bag. Let me go get my wig on, and we gonna be out in the city. Okay, so let me fill in my eyebrows real quick. I really should go get them threaded. I might go get them threaded, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna have time today. Oh, that pimple is getting on my nerves. So how we looking, Glam Crew? Simple little outfit. Go out, run some errands. I love how this purse goes with everything and anything. You can make it shorter, pull the chains up if you just want to walk with it like this in the store. Or if you want to do crossbody, put it on like this. Bam. Do a crossbody look. Oh, I don't know if y'all noticed, y'all see the weight loss? Do y'all see the weight loss? Okay, drinking my water, being consistent, Betty on a budget, taking my walks, looking good. Y'all can't tell me I don't. So let's head on to the store. I need to get my feet together, y'all. The bottom of my feet look, y'all see? Yeah, so I saw in this Facebook group, if you use Listerine, yellow or gold Listerine, what was the other one? Apple cider vinegar and Mix those two things in like a bucket, soak your feet for maybe 10 minutes, no water, and then just rub it off with like a washcloth. I'm gonna look for one of those scrubbers, you know, the little metal scrubber, or a pumice stone, and scrub my feet because I don't have money for a pedicure right now. I'm trying to pay for school, okay? I'm trying to pay for school. So I'm gonna do that and give myself a pedicure. I got a few errands to run, so let's head out and continue our little baddie on a budget. All right. And let me know what y'all think about this bag. Did y'all shop for it? Okay. Baddie on a budget. Luxury bags without the huge luxury price tag. Teddy Blake. Okay. Let's go. Okay, Glam Crew, we are at the Dollar Tree. I am a baddie on a budget. You can find a lot of self-care items right here at the Dollar Tree. Check me out. I am looking for some items here. They even have a $5 aisle. All right. And as I mentioned, my bag is from Teddy Blake. They are having a clearance sale, so make sure to check out their website. I will have everything linked in the description box along with my discount code. Get a great leather bag, luxury bag. Okay, y'all see the hardware. It's lasting, it's looking cute, not that cheap little dingly wingly stuff. All right, go get you a nice bag. All right, and I got everything that I needed for my self-care pedicure right at home at the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a separate video on my pedicure and show you guys exactly how it went. But thank you for watching. This is the end of this video. I appreciate you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. You can also send me a super thanks to show your support. Thank you. Bye.